Feed Editor Training: How to edit, delete, and add different types of content in the print program. As noted on the Login and Reviewing Meanings of Icons in Go video, the Feed Editor can be located in the home page by clicking on the newspaper icon. The print program design and layout varies depending on the brand design. For the purpose of this training, we are using a 2-page print program design from the demo account. You are able to select the page you want to view on the left side of the screen. The first page is mostly designed to add content blurbs, date widget, and event descriptions. In order to add any of these items, users will first have to select the area to add the information. In this case, let's add a welcome message from the content library. Click on the green plus button in the page and a content box will populate. On the right side of the screens, users can access the full content library by clicking on Content. With the search bar, users can find the title of the content they are looking for. When we find the piece of content we want to add, it is dragged and dropped to the content box. The content will appear exactly the way it was added in the description section on the content library. If by any chance you chose the wrong content, you can go back to select a different content to replace it. If you would like to add a separate column on the same row next to the piece of content you just added, you can go to the bottom right corner of the content box that shows red and hover until it is green. A plus sign will appear on the content box, and when clicked, another column will populate. If you are unsure of the content added and you want to delete it, just click on the piece of content of the print program and select the Trash button on the top left corner. Other types of content are added the same way. Find the corresponding content on the right side of the screen and use the tabs to navigate between libraries. Events content that populates events from the days the canvas. When you drag and drop event content, it will show the event title and the description. No time or location for the event will populate. Under Widgets, you will have the ability to drag and drop the date information. Moving on to the second page, users can automatically view the lineup of events, which is the chronological list of events populating from the canvas. When you add, edit, or delete events for that specific day on the canvas, the Feed Editor will automatically update. The final piece that can be added in the Feed Editor is the venue hours. Most often, you will include headers that come from the content blurbs created in the content library. After adding the header, drag and drop Create Venue Rundown under Venues. On the content box, click on the top right corner icon and select the venues that you want to show the hours of operations for. In order to change the order of the venues, you are able to drag below Display Venue List to reorganize. After the print program is finalized, users can export a PDF by clicking on Export on the bottom right corner of the screen. When a pop-up appears, click on Download PDF.